Hey, mister, can I come in?
What's the password?
Can I come in?
Nah, that ain't it.
Hey, groovy guys and gal, it's the third Tuesday of the month, and you know what that means? Wauconda Car Show. Are you ready to see some of the coolest cars in town? Oh, we've got streets and streets of cars. Come on! I can't wait to see them all. Look at where we are. We're Wauconda again, where the Blues Brothers was filmed at the once-a-month car show. Oh, look at what we got here. Are you ready to see real cars, the coolest cars? Oh, and rare cars, too. I got a little bit of everything for you. It's a long video, so you better sit back and enjoy. Oh, they finally got the sticky fish racing car off the trailer. It's a trailer queen. Let's take a look at these cars. You ready to rock and roll, babies? Ready? Let's do this.
It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club.
We're heading into the country, looking for those barns. Ragged and rusty, dirty and dusty. Let's get going. Who's with me? Hey, look what we found, a car show. Pretty cool. He's showing you all sorts of stuff. Here's Sparky. Oh, look, it's the parade. They're all coming in. This is kind of cool. We could just stay right here and watch the cars come in one by one. Now, Big Mama and Trixie are somewhere here. And there's usually 500 cars here. Look at that 442. Now this is like an hour and a half before the show starts. Here's a super cool, super duper, there's a Hellcat, but look at this minivan coming in. Woo, doggy, Ford minivan. I know you guys are all jealous as all get out. Now they'll fill up this parking lot here. They'll fill up this street. The street up there is filled up. We'll walk up there. And then down there, there's one more street and two more parking lots that'll fill up. It is crazy. Oh, that is amazing. Look at these cars coming in. Looks like a kit car. Something. Oh, look at this GTO. Pretty sweet. Big Mama could have brought in the Miata today. Oh, there's a 55 down there I saw, 57 over here in this parking lot. That GTO is a convertible, pretty sweet. Oh, it's taking forever to back in. So the main street must be filled. We could have bring the Miata in here. Yeah, maybe next time. They're moving out slowly. Pretty sweet. Excalibur. You got a GTO. Oh, and a 40 something and a big truck in the back. Another GTO. Oh, everyone wants a special parking space because their car is the coolest. You know what I mean? A lot of people working around here. Oh. Oh, they want specific places. Now that truck is a flatbed and he's got a car on the back there. I can't quite tell what it is. Oh, the guy does not want to follow the rules. Everyone's special. Look at this truck. Is that a cheetah on the back? Wouldn't that be sweet? Look at that. Holy smokes. It might be. Nope, Corvette. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty sweet. Trailer Queenosaurus Rex right there. Oh, it's like a parade. It's cool to see these cars running. Got a Buick. Pretty nice. Who's your daddy on those tires? This guy's impatient. He's going around. Not listening. People are getting mad here. You got a brand new Mustang. Oh, look at that 442 coming up. Got a Willys. Chop top. Now they just told other people they couldn't park down there, and now they're parking this truck down there. Oh, this guy's for sale. Look at that. That is sweet. Oh, look at this wagon. Now he's got the air conditioning on. All the windows are open. Got a Malibu. Old truck. Here's your VW van, Saul. Look at that beauty. Woo, doggy. Oh, look at that Fairline. Man, oh man. It is sweet. And then you got a brand new Corvette. Look at that. But that anyone can buy. This you don't often see on the street. So I love it when these guys are out driving their cars. Totally awesome. Totally awesome. Woo! Now I thought it was the end. You got a Super Bird coming up. Totally cool. Oh, I'm telling you, these cars are wild. This thing, fins are in for me, baby. Give me my 59 Cadillac. I don't like the Continental kits, but that's just me. Look at that, need that. Sweet ride. But look at this Super Bird in orange. Nice. And everyone knows everyone in this town, so it's really sweet to see. Look at this bird. Oh, you got a Camaro. He's got to be cool. Coming in the side. Oh, he must have special treatment. Over this thing, not for me, baby. Look at this. Oh, 55. That is gorgeous. Look at that thing. Now I'm on the other side of the sun, so you're not getting the speckled paints that these things have, but I'm telling you, gorgeous of all get out gorgeous. Look at that Mustang. Another Mustang. We got someone whistling and howling here. Oh, now this is a car show, baby! And look, they are all lined up. Galaxy 500 convertible. Gorgeous. Chevelle. 307 on that. Look at this 57 Chevy, Miss K. Woo, doggy, some eligible bachelors in there. Oh, maybe not, it's Ed and Bev. Crazy me. They're asking for the shade and they're not giving them because this parking lot over here, no shade. This street down here, shade. Now that old 47 Woody wagon, he got here early, probably before all the people started. The crew got here, so he got the space in the shade and they're not going to move them. But look how far the cars go. They just keep going and going. So I'm kind of standing here in the shade and every car is going to pass right by here until these streets are filled. The music is coming, so we're going to have to drown that out. Because of copyright laws, we can't have music. But, Miss K, look at this convertible. Is that sweet?
I'll put you right here. Facing this way.
Oh, they're backing them in right here. Oh, I don't know why they're saving these roads for last, but they're backing them in right here on the street.
Now these guys in the back.
They fill you up.
I'll take your beer. There you go.
Look at that. To see these cars running is so much cooler than seeing them parked. Hearing their engines is great. Oh, they're gonna just line up right here, right in front of me. Look at that thing. Gorgeous. Cyclone GT. Look at that.
Straight back.
So gorgeous. Got a Chevelle SS. Now they're definitely playing favorites. So some people get to move up, some people get to move down. Getting a choice.
Way over. Way over. Way over.
Got a land yacht coming in, beautiful old caddy. Look at this, Nova Cane, baby. Oh, so sweet. Look at those white walls on there, just gorgeous. Now this is the Nova I had. Mine was a hatchback, 73, 350 engine. It was dark brown, no vinyl top though. Crazy cool. This car shows, 57 Chevy wagon way over there. Now the regular businesses have cars that they're trying to get out of here, which is totally cool. Look at this Nova. I love this thing. Gorgeous. I'd do a hatchback again in a heartbeat. Look at this AMC Eagle. Look at that. He got a green light to go further in. Mustang. VW Bug. look how gorgeous that is. Look at all the extras.
Oh, never mind. We're done with you. We're done with you. I know it. Sorry.
Oh, some go in the lot, some are on the street. Wildcat, look at that. Gorgeous. Impala coming in. Look at this sweet beauty. Look at that 63, right? Corvette. Camaro Z28 coming in. Look at that Volkswagen. I saw this one coming in. Oh, got an old hippie in there. Love it. Camaros parking on the street here. They're switching it all up. No rhyme, no reason, but they got a plan, baby. So the more common cars, I'm thinking they're parking back here on the street. Ones that you see often. And then the rare cars or different cars, more unique, they send up front. Now the supercars go way up front. Oh, let's just see what's coming down the street here. We got some vets, and again, the line just goes on and on and on. Brand new Mustang 5.0. Got some chippy dippy on there. Screws where the license plate was. Corvette. Got a 1930s car way back there, which is kind of cool. Oh, I gotta see if I can find, Dodge Swinger just came in. I might go down the street a little bit. Look at those big knees. Look at this. It just goes on and on, my friends. Oh, then you got a Ma Paul car in there. The guy's just trying to get home into his home. Look at that, a Spider. Camaro. BMW. Again, who knows? Look at this 30s car. Chevelle. You got the old family LTD, which is pretty sweet. Right! Look at this one. That is sweet. Look at the ZZ Top guy driving it. Billy Gibbons. That is sweet. Look at this Jeep. Oh, look at this straight axle gasser. Now see, this street will be filled up. This street will be filled up. This parking lot. Look at this straight axle gasser. Is that gorgeous or what? That is amazing. So cool. Got a Nova here. Chevy 2. Oh, look at this. I'm just trying to get a place where we can see these really good. That Willie's Jeep is pretty sweet. Trying to get in the shade so you can see these cars. Oh, there she is. Look at them, and they're backed up out onto the street, waiting to get in. This is the show of shows. Look at this thing. That crazy nuts. Man, wouldn't you like to see them light those up? Now everywhere around here is charging $5 to park. Now Big Mama had an old Ford. It was a 73. It was pretty sweet. Some of the colors on these cars are just fantastic. Now we're shooting into the sun, which isn't the best. Mustang. You got new and old at this show, which is great. Riviera. Here comes the butt motorcycle. There's a whole motorcycle gang in there. Look at that. Looks like a Yamaka or something. A Yamaka. Look at these. Just as far as the eye can see, they're still pulling in off the main road. You got guys knocking out, blocking out parking spaces. People jacking for space to get in here. Oh, I'm telling you, so much fun. I'm gonna go see, oh, there's a Jaguar E-Type convertible coming up. That's the first car that Miss Trixie started in her life. Some guy at a fancy car show allowed her to get in and start it. Got a Triumph and they're going in for a parking lot in the back row over there. See him back over there? Look at this. Got a GTO sneaking in the back. Got a Camaro sneaking in the back. They're not waiting in this line. I see a Cobra up there. Look at this beauty. Corvette with a little kicktail on it. Bonneville? Is that? I don't know what that one is. It's written across the front, but can't see. Skyliner? That thing is great. We got the peace sign from them. Oh, the GTO and Camaro are sneaking in. Now sometimes a 57 Chevy parks over there on the far side where that Dodge Dart Swinger is. You got a lot of muscle power here today. Here's Mr. Cool. I got to cut in front of everyone. So maybe certain cars, they get in certain lines. This is a riot, baby. Got an Excalibur coming in. Another common Mustang. Right off the street. That's just my opinion. Got a Cadillac. Here's a new Cadillac. Serious? Look at this Excalibur coming in. Coming in hot, baby. They think like they're gonna get somewhere, but they're not. There's like 3 rows here. Look at that Jaguar E-Type. Just gorgeous. Another Riviera. Chevelle. Oh, pickup truck. You can see the stick shifts rolling backwards. No one's letting the GTO Camaro or the Buick in. He's just going to say, screw it, I'm doing it. Just a free-for-all with expensive cars. Oh, you got a trailer queen way down there. I wonder what's in that thing. Oh, you got a little, what is that? I don't know what that is, and I'm drawing a blank. Camaro convertible. Look at these hippies in there. I love it. Long-haired dudes. Probably had that car since they were a kid. Lotus, that's what that thing is. But look at this Chevy Apache pickup truck. That thing is gorgeous. fleet side. Look at that thing. So cool. And I love it seeing it with the hoods down so you can see the cars. Oh, here's the Jurassic Park Jeep. Wonder what they're promoting. And here's the Hyundai. The famous, rare, expensive Hyundai. It'll be out of here soon. Look at these. Just car after car. Now, I've walked about 3 blocks. And the cars are still coming in. Look at the paint on this GTO. That thing is sweet. Some ghost flames, just slightly different color. You got blue and purple. Holy smokes. Look at a Barracuda. Is that sweet? Oh, now that is a car. Convertible. Again, when's the last time you saw a Barracuda? 383. Oh, look at that old Buick in the back side over there. Cracking me up. Oh. That Barracuda is very cool. Look at this. Just killer cool. Again. Oh, an Indy 500 pace car. I drove one of those once, which is very cool. It was fast. It was my brother-in-law's. Look at this Mustang. Look at the 55 tucked in. Dragging a sprint car. How cool is that? Look at this. That is sweet. And look at on his trailer, the sprint car. I'm telling you, this is the coolest show in town. And this is an hour before it even starts. Look at these cars. Oh, I love the 30s back there, the Model A. But these Volkswagens are cranking it. Oh, sweet. Now I wonder what's in the trailer of the Trailer Queen. He's going to have to pull off into a parking lot somewhere. We were just talking about that at lunch today with the coworker, how it's amazing these people will just have these expensive cars and they'll never drive them anywhere. You can't enjoy them. They're so afraid to drive them, and so there's some muscle here. Right now, this 55 is my favorite. So cool, pulling the trailer. Look at that. That is just sweet. Got the Hyundai coming out, or the Honda Accord. Yeah. Look at that. That's the whole package. Now, if that little sprint car got out and started racing around, that would be really cool. We'll see where that trailer goes. Couple new late entries coming in with the rest of the gang. Is Dodge. Oh, that's sweet. Dodge Dart Swinger. Oh, the old Dodge Dart Swinger. Look, run 6. Look at those tires on there. They're almost as big as my gut. Oh, so much fun. Now, we've seen a couple of these cars before. A couple new came in. Again, I'm wondering what's in that, what's the trailer queen? Model A's driving with his door open, that's air conditioning, baby. And his Volkswagen, yeah, totally cool. Got a lot of loud people here, but they got to back and park with the suck cars. Oh, so much fun, baby. He's got his blower out the hood, or his hood's cut off, parachute on the back. Now, I don't know where this trailer's going, because it's all side streets now. You got another gasser coming in on the back, Camaro. I don't know what he's thinking. His wife's throwing her hands in the air. Got a little MG back there, orange Camaro with racing stripes, gorgeous. Gasser's pretty sweet. Look at this. Oh, just gorgeous. I'm wondering where they're going to send Mr. Trailer. Again, it's like pulling into an alley, and he's going to have to back that baby out. Look at that old T-Bird. Early 60s. He's got a big, huge dog in it. Oh, that is funny. Here he comes, 2 dogs. We've seen this guy before. It shows. Look at those dogs. That is awesome. Look at that MG. Gorgeous. Camaro. Sweet. That color combo is one of my favorites. Got a Mustang. Oh, the gasser. Got another gasser pulling in on the side over there. Look at that straight axle. Way back over there. He's got everything sticking out of the hood like there's no tomorrow. Oh, they're pulling that guy way down there. Oh, that is crazy. We're gonna have to go see where he goes. Again, more cars coming in. It is just, like I said, here we go, soda pop. Look at that MG. Here's a straight axle. That is sweet. Straight axle in the parking lot. You got a Chevelle racing in, 454, 442. Oh, I'm gonna go find Big Mama and Trixie wherever they went. But I'm telling you, this place is a riot. And here you go. They're all lined up on that street that was empty. The side streets are all filled. Look at this. Oh, love it. Totally love it. So here's another trailer. Just dropped. Have no idea what's in it. But here, looks like a race car, a quarter miler, being pulled off that out of that trailer. And again, I don't know how certain cars get certain status, but maybe something that's a little different, older, more unique, gets up closer to where all the businesses are, and the rest get further down. Now, here we go. Again, you've got everything with their hoods popped. And here it is. They're unloading what's on that trailer. Looks like a Vega. It's got wheelie bars. I don't know what they're gonna do. Just roll it out. And then do they move the trailer? I don't know. Here's Sparky the dog.
But never see many 8-tracks up there. I don't know what it was at the time.
And here's where we are. Wauconda. Huge car show. Look at that. You've got Chevelles coming in out on the street yet. So there's one place where you pull in and people come from north, south, east, west. It's off of a couple major highways. This is that town that the Blues Brothers movie was filmed in. And we come here in Wisconsin a lot. Oh, here's our Woody that we started with. It's for sale. Oh, we would have to mortgage our house. Oh, look at this 68 XKE. Favorite Hot Wheel or Matchbox Lesney. Look at this thing. It is just gorgeous. Oh man, it's like 45 minutes later and they still haven't unloaded this car. You gotta be kidding me. I'm moving on. So here's all the spots on Main Street, and you can see that there's a lot of open spots, so certain cars get the privilege in, so you gotta know someone to get in here. Look at this Crown Vic. That thing is sick. Just gorgeous.
There's a 56 we were looking at one.
Oh, I love that Stingray. Big, huge side pipes and everything. I gotta find Big Mama. Trixie. Starting to get crowded here. Probably stop filming, but I'm gonna show you this last little bit of cars. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
55. Look at this flip nose gasser. That thing is fantastic. Looks like a Studebaker or something. Look at this thing. Is that nuts or what? Look at all these cars. And again, more cars coming in on the street. Oh, so there you got it. Crazy. If I see anything crazy cool coming in, I will video it for you. Look at these babies. Got a 41 there, 55. You got a DeLorean, Grand Prix, Grand National. And look at this. This is what we hear too often. Oh, almost fell. Look at this. Go jump in the lake. My childhood friend had a Dodge Dart Swinger and looked nothing like this though. He feel hopped that thing. Look at this. Look at this. A Kennedy era caddy. Look at that thing. That thing is sweet. Oh, we got Elvis in the background. Look at that limousine. Oh, that is pretty sweet. Got a little spider web in the back. Very nice. Now, if you ever find this little place right here, see that railroad crossing? That's a railroad group that has been building a HO railroad set since the early 70s, and that whole basement is filled with the coolest railroad. Maybe if they open up, I'll drive back into town and show you that, because it is well worth it. There are so many cool trains and little figures and stuff. Oh, look at that. Here's our Roadrunner Superbird. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting one of these stickers for the Shaggin' Wagon. Would that be funny? Whew, look at that. You gotta be kidding me. So cool. Big wing on the back. Always a favorite car. Flames on this one is sick. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Now, you see these little spider web things? Ed Roth, Big Daddy Ed Roth, he put one of those with a fly because at a show, on one of his show rods, they dropped a wrench and chipped the paint. So he quick did a little pinstriping and drew a fly in there, and that became part of his thing. Look at this eagle. So much fun. Now we saw most of these cars coming in.
That side. On the right. On the right side. Silver. Yeah, we got it right too. 222.
Four-wheel drive on that thing. You don't see these. And he got a shady spot, so that's pretty cool. AMC 4x4. Look at that. You don't see that too often. Very cool. A couple of these cars were here already as we were pulling in. Look at this little Honda. Hey, Soda Pop, what do you think of that one? Look at this. Little shorty Honda. That could be cool. 95. 660 cc. Telling you, little coupe like this and a 55, always my fave. Got vehicles all around trying to sneak in. People bring the dogs everywhere, and there's Fido. Look at this thing. We saw it come in, I thought. But look, he's got a model car in the back. Scaled to size, very cool. That is sweet. Star Chief, look at this thing. That is amazing. Got Elvis playing in the background. So cool. This music is the best. Whew, don't step on my blue suede shoes, baby. Oh, here's all the latecomers that had to park way down here. This is where we were watching them all come in. Oh, look at that. Sweet chop. That is gorgeous. Look at the pinstriping on that. Fantastic. Oh, you got Barney Fife here. in the Mayberry RFD cop car over there. You still got more cars coming in. What I tell you, all these streets are just filled with cars. Just amazing. We gotta go check out that cop car. Oh, that is nice. Galaxy 500. Look at that cherry on top. It's huge. And the cars are still coming in. Just amazing. Got an SSR. They got motorcycles up front. There's only 2 motorcycles so far. Look at this old Willie's coming in. Very cool. I wonder if he gets a special treatment or not. Pretty sweet. Oh, look at the Hyundai. That's nice. Look at this Mustang coming in. Whole Chrysler. I don't see the Chrysler Newport convertible that I had, but that's pretty close. It is a Newport, but mine wasn't that one. That was my very first car. So cool. I love it. I love it. Look at that beauty.
All right, you taking them in here? Yeah.
Chicks in a Mustang. Sweet.
We're right over here.
Look at this, another gasser coming in. I'm telling you, the Corvettes, the cars around here are just nuts and crazy. I'm talking to Terry, who runs a slot car thing. He's driving that Chrysler Newport. Oh, it's a 68. Mine was a 69. Look at it, and cars are still coming in. You got a 33 down there, a big Ford truck there, Camaro GTO. Oh, you got a Hellcat there. Oh, there's so many cool cars here. Just crazy. I was going to try and get over to this Dodge Dart in the back. There's another Dodge Dart. Look at this thing. Is that a riot? Wouldn't you like to watch him light those babies up? With a little Corvette behind. Sorry, Corvette guys. Nothing as cool as a home-built straight axle gasser that's 10 feet off the ground. Oh, look at this. Oh, and here's Terry with his Newport. I'm digging that. So cool, SSR. Again, these, look at that gasser. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Just totally cool. And like I said, it is just endless, endless cars here. Mustang Fastback coming in.
500.
Look at this. Those meats on the back, so cool. Got a prowler sticking out here. Look at that, he doesn't have his top down. Are you serious? This is the nicest day around and he doesn't have his top down on his prowler. But it's good to see it with it up, but he needs to take that top off. So I wonder if you ever pull into a car show going, oh man, I thought my car was cool, and then you pull in and go, oh, never mind, there's so many cool cars around here. Oh, this is rocking. It just goes on and on. So much fun. What do you think? Little bit of everything for everyone. I'm digging this Willys over here. Came in kind of late. Now there are still some great spots way up front, but we have no idea what it is and what gets to go up front. But let me tell you, when the cool car comes in that they like, oh, they let it right down up front. It's just like real life, babies. Look at this tea bucket. Sweet, kind of homemade. Look at those wheels. This is what I love. Wheels that wide. Little skinnies in front. So cool. Look at all these. I don't see any Mazda Miatas. We should have brought ours down. Big Mama should have brought it down. That would have been great. Oh. So much fun. The Loop radio station on this guy's shirt right here. Totally cool. That was the old rock and roll station that we used to listen to all the time. Oh, look at that. That thing is so sweet. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I don't even know what it is, but I like it. Look at that thing. Oh, you don't see cars like that. So my friends, I think that's it for now. We are going to say adios, amigos and amiguettes. Oh, so much fun. There's one more row that I got to still show you. Now I had a 31 Roadster, but it looked nothing like this one. Totally cool. Now I'm getting such glare on the glass on this thing, I can't even see what I'm shooting, but hopefully it's something good. Welcome to the Wauconda Cars Show. Happens once a month. There's got to be 500 plus cars here. Just amazing. There's from something sweet and simple to something modern to something old to something rare. Look at this stuff. Just crazy stuff. Oh, here's my Camaro. Very cool. Coolest car in town, the 55 with the trailer. Oh, look at this little donker. Another straight axle. So cool. So much fun. Hey, thanks for coming into a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. We are Johnny on the spot. And look at no parking, police orders. And look at all these cars parking. There are going to be a lot of tickets today. Hey, I just want to thank you all for coming in to the Wauconda Car Show with me and looking at it and checking it out. Till next time, my friends, rock on, my friends. Rock on. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.